are in a New Look Primary School in Seshego, Limpopo, and we are here to address bullying in this school. But right now, I'm seated with the principal of the school, who is going to introduce herself. And principal, please, as you introduce yourself, please tell us more about this issue, this prevalent issue. I know it's a serious issue in our country as well. We've seen a lot of children even committing suicide, because of bullying. And I'd like it from you, your perspective as a person that leads the school and that experiences, or that has the first-hand recipient of bullying. How is it, in the school, and how do you deal with it?
Okay, thank you. Since we started school in 2016, we had a lot of big boys and they were bullying one another. And in most cases, when I checked with the learners, I've realized the majority of them, they are from the disadvantaged family. Parents are not working. Because of their disadvantaged situation, they tend to have anger, a lot of anger. They were fighting, they were bullying, they were threatening and intimidating other learners. And as we go on, and let me just say, now recently, the situation is a little bit better, but not good, because we still have learners who come from the child-headed families, and with their anger, they are also bullying other children. We also have things like the physical bullying, emotional bullying, and but for the sexual harassment and others, it's outside. Because I would say now recently we have a child who has been raped by a neighbor, and we are busy engaging with both sectors, like I said before to you. But in terms of bullying, it is now rife in grade 5. With the grade 6 and the grade 7s, it is now better. But with the grade 5 learners, we still have that challenge. But most of them, it is because of the families, the background. And in most cases, the bullying is done by those children who are from the disadvantaged and the poor of the poorest families, and those who are the child-headed families.
So you'd say it's very important for parents and for community members to be part of, the anti-bullying campaign, to actually participate and be very active members, in community and in the children's lives, that ensure that they eradicate bullying by being more present and, being part of the processes.
Yes, in most cases, when I try to engage the parents, they are not there. When I'm trying to engage the community, it's only the taxi industry who is assisting us with this bullying of other learners, especially after school. And in terms of engaging the social workers, we are always told about the transport. They don't have transport, they don't have enough social workers. That's where we got a challenge. And once more, in case of engaging the counselors, they are not directly involved in terms of bullying. And with our first SGB members, I tried to say, let's have the CPF in this area. So because of the political situation, they don't have a CPF because everyone wants to be a leader. So they are fighting with their political issues. Hence, we are resolving cases on our own as a school. Thank you.
I think it's really important that community members be part of this process and learn and know that this bullying is, it's an after effect. It comes from, the various issues that happen in their own homes. So it's important that they look at this. And also, Principal, yes, we spoke about the sexual assault incident that happened in the school, and I'd also just like to say that Unisa Law Clinic will be able to assist you should you need any help. I think maybe just call us and we'll be able to assist you, especially with the ongoing case now. Just please keep us updated so that we can also play our part in ensuring that you have. And I think also we will try to speak to our counsellors to see if they can be an interim assistance to the school, because Unisa does have counsellors. So to see if they can be an interim assistance while maybe we are still engaging local stakeholders. Right, thank you so much. So that was the principal of New Look Primary School, Principal Masekwa Ming Al, and she has just given us the outlook on bullying at this school, but also what they're doing to ensure that learners in the school are not bullied. Let's play our part. She really spoke about, you know, active participation from other stakeholders, because this is a war that is not going to be won by one partner, but by all of us united against bullying. Thank you and goodbye.